How can Google step up its game when you need an easy way to create videos? Well, Google Vids is now available to all staff of the OCDSB and only shareable to students. We'll give you a full rundown on how it works and why you should be using it. My name is Jordan, and welcome to another episode of your weekly upgrade. Google Vids is designed to help you make professional looking videos, even if you don't have video editing experience.
I am Iron Man.
Google Vids is available in your waffle, and if you need to, as I did, click and drag it closer to the top so you don't forget it. You can also access Vids through your Google Drive. Let's dive in and check it out. Once you're in Vids, you can select from various templates to give your video a professional look, or if you have your own media, you can upload your own video and image files right here from Google Drive or Google Photos, or even select insert and upload to grab anything from your laptop. Before you start creating, remember there's a maximum time limit of 10 minutes for each video. This allows you to not have to worry about overwhelming your content and keeping it simple and effective.
And my dad got deported. But I got the van.
It's nice.
Yeah, right?
Google Vids also lets you record video directly within the application with some wonderful options. But let's backtrack just for a moment. If you need a script or want to fine-tune your script, first put it in Gemini and then select copy. Then select the script button in Google Vids at the bottom right. Now paste in your script. By selecting the record button, you can choose to record either your camera or screen or both, or even just do a voiceover for your video. But here's where it gets next level.
And took it to a hoe. Now,
because you added your script, Google Vids has a built-in teleprompter. You can control if you want your script to be rolling automatically or manually. Here you can select the size and how fast you want your script to scroll. But before you hit that record button, there's even more. If you select the three dots at the bottom right, you can also turn on the camera blur. Now go ahead and record your content like a pro.
You're a star.
You can also add background music from Google's stock library or upload your own audio. The interface makes it easy to customize timings, transitions, and audio levels for each scene. You can also add text overlays and other visual effects. Everything you place on each scene is customizable and easily found on your timeline with multi-track editing. Each track represents a different piece of your media on your scene. Google Vids also allows you to either export your finished video or share it and work collaboratively with other OCDSB staff. Access to Google Vids is not available to students unless you share your project with them by email or providing the link, such as in Google Classroom. Decide on what type of access you'd like to give your students before sharing. For instance, if you choose Edit, then they'll have full access to create along with you,
while also enduring death-defying team-building trust exercises.
And now I have permission to introduce Michael James from Rockcliffe Park Public School with today's DHR Tip of the Week.
In our fast-paced digital world, it's easy for students to get caught up in the whirlwind of online information. By modeling the importance of slowing down and thinking before clicking, we can help them to be better digital citizens. Links, images, and videos can be deceptive. What appears interesting might lead to inappropriate content, misinformation, or even online scams.
Somebody's going on the internet and telling you a bunch of lies.
Good. So someone posts something online, it's a bunch of lies, and they're trying to shock you. They're trying to get you to click.
Encourage students to hover over links before clicking to see the true destination. Be wary of clickbait headlines and consider the source before engaging with content. Now back to you, Jordan.
Thanks, Michael James. Well, that's it for today's episode. It was my pleasure to spend this short amount of time helping you today. And as always, have an awesome day.